To add a custom sound so it can be detected by sound notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap custom sound and then tap add sound. As the example, we will record the sound of a washing machine when it's finished washing. Tap record to start recording the sound. When it's finished recording, you can preview the sound by tapping play sound. If you are satisfied with the result, tap continue. Type the name for the sound. And then tap save. The sound has been added to the custom sound list. Now when sound notification is on and your phone detects this sound, your phone will notify you with vibration alert, flashlight alert, or through your watch that is connected to the phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.